Good morning, boys and girls. How are you today? I have a special story to share with you today. It's called Oh, the Places You'll Go by Dr. Seuss. Congratulations. Today's your day. You're off to great places. You're off and away. You have brains in your head, you have feet in your shoes. You can steer yourself in any direction you choose. You're on your own, and you know what you know. And you are the guy who'll decide where you go. You'll look up and down streets, look them over with care. About someone you'll say, I don't choose to go there. With your head full of brains and your shoes full of feet, you're too smart to go down and not so good street. And you may not find any you'll want to go down. In that case, of course, you'll head straight out of town. Ooh, look at the big open space. It's opener there. It's wide open air. Look at the elephants. Wow. Out there, things can happen and frequently do to people as brainy and as footsie as you. And when things start to happen, don't worry, don't stew. Just go right along. You'll start happening too. Wow. Oh, this one looks like a circus. Wow. Oh, the places you will go. Ooh, a balloon. You'll be up on your way up. You'll be seeing great sights. You'll join the high flyers who soar to high heights. You won't lag behind because you'll have the speed. You'll pass a whole gang and soon you'll take the lead. Wherever you fly, you'll be best of the best. Wherever you go, you'll be on top of the rest. Except when you didn't, because something you won't. I'm sorry to say so, but sadly it's true. The bang-ups, the hang-ups, and can happen to you. You can get all hung up on a prickly perch, and your gang will fly on, and you'll be left on a lurch. Ooh. You'll come down from the lurch with an unpleasant bump, and chances are then that you'll be in a slump. And when you're in the slump, you're not in for much fun. Unslumping yourself is not easily done. Ooh. You will come to a place where the streets are not marked. Some windows are lighted, but mostly they're dark. A place you could sprain both your elbow and chin. Do you dare to stay out? Do you dare to go in? How much can you lose? How much can you win? And if you go in, should you turn left or right and 3/4, or maybe not quite, or go around back and sneak from behind? Simple, it's not, I'm afraid you will find, for a minded maker-upper to make up his mind. Oh, you could get so confused that you'll start into race down a long wiggled road at a breaknecking pace, and grind on 4 miles across weirdish white space, headed, I fear, toward a most useless place, the waiting place. Oh, there's a lot of people in this place too. For people just waiting for a train to go, or a bus to come, or a plane to go, or the mail to come, or the rain to go, or the phone to ring, or the snow to snow, for waiting around for a yes or a no, or waiting for their hair to grow. Everyone is just waiting. Waiting for the fish to bite, waiting for a kite to fly, waiting for that Friday night, waiting perhaps for their Uncle Jake, or a pot to boil, or a better break, or a string of pearls, or a pair of pants, or a wig with curls, or another chance. Everyone is just waiting and waiting and waiting and waiting. No, that's not you. Somehow you'll escape all that waiting and staying. You'll find a bright place where boom bands are playing. Ooh, that looks like fun. With banner flip-flapping, once more you'll ride high, ready for anything under the sky, ready because you're that kind of guy. That's a nice little parade of elephants. Oh, yes, the places you'll go. There is fun to be done, there are points to be scored, there are games to be won, and the magical things you can do with your ball. It will make you the winningest winner of all. Fame, you'll be famous as famous can be, with the whole wide world watching you win on TV. Except when they don't, because sometimes they won't. I'm afraid that sometimes you'll play lonely games too, games you can't win, 'cause you'll play against you. Oh. All alone, whether you like it or not. Alone will be something, you'll be quite a lot. And when you're alone, there's a very good chance you'll meet some things that scare you right out of your pants. Ah! There are some down the road between hither and yon that can scare you so much that you will not want to go on. But on you will go, though the weather may be foul. On you will go through the enemy's prowl. On you will go through the hack and crash howl. Onward up many a freighting creek, though your arms may get sore and your sneakers may leak. Ooh, he's a big green guy. On and on you will hike, and I know that you'll hike far and face up your problems wherever they are. Look, he's being nice to the big green thingy. Ooh. You'll get mixed up, of course, as you already know. You'll get mixed up with many strange birds as you go. So be sure when you step with care and great tact, and remember that life's a great balancing act. Just never forget to be dexterous and deft, and never mix up your right foot with your left, or you'll trip and fall. Oh, look at that house. And you will succeed? Yes indeed. 93.75% guaranteed. Kid, you'll move mountains. Oh, that's a mountain. Wow. So, be your name Baxham, Bixie, or Bray, or Mordecai, Ali, Van Allen, O'Shea. Today is your day. Your mountain is waiting. So get on your way. The end. I hope you enjoyed that as much as I did. Hope you have a wonderful day. Bye-bye.